what is a financial institution? Okay, what else? Okay, my question is, how can you define financial institution? Yes. Okay, fine. So, do you remember two sector model, circular flow of income, that I have discussed? So, in the two sector, what I have told you, what will be there? Households and second are firms. There I have told you, if I have to make it three sector, one will be added, financial institution. Simply what they will do, they will take money from the households and they will give it to firms in the form of loans. So simply a financial institution is like a mediator, okay, by taking deposit and also for giving the credit. Okay, it is a mediator between households and the firms. So just look at the definition. So financial institution refers to institution or a company, okay, that mediates between the ultimate lenders and ultimate borrowers. Who are the ultimate borrowers? Firms. Who are the ultimate lenders? Household. Why? All the money that the financial institution is getting, from where they are getting? From the deposits only. If there are no deposits in a bank, from where they will give a loan? Okay, so who are the ultimate lenders? People or household. Ultimate borrowers are generally firms or companies. Okay, and who is going to mediate between them? A financial institution, right? So financial institutions can be both banks and non-banking financial institutions. So generally we divide them into two categories. Banks and NBFIs, we can say, non-banking financial institution. Now what will be the examples of banks? Commercial banks, any other type of banks other than commercial banks? Okay, RRBs, any other? Cooperative banks. What did you say? Payment? Okay, payment bank, that is what we call as a differentiated bank. Okay, generally it won't come under this category. Okay, payment banks and all, they come, small finance banks, they come under differentiated banks. Okay, here generally under financial institution, banks means mainly these three: commercial banks, RRBs and cooperative bank. What about NBFIs? Again, they are divided into two categories. Okay, generally development financial institutions, development financial institutions, and the other is NBFCs, non-banking financial companies. Sometimes the word corporation will be used, sometimes company will be used. Anything is right. Okay, tell me an example of a development financial institution. What is a development financial institution first? Yeah, NABARD. Why do we call it a development financial institution? Generally, their work is only regarding development of a particular sector. Okay, does NABARD, okay, you have given me the example of NABARD. You might have heard about SIDBI. What is it? Small Industries Development Bank. Okay, what does it do? SIDBI?
Small finance institutions.
Okay, it generally regulates small finance institutions and also provides them loans. Now tell me, either of NABARD or SIDBI, do they provide loans for you? No. Then for whom they will provide the loans? Okay, you are doing agriculture. Will NABARD provide loan for you? That is my question. Or you are a small enterprise. For that small enterprise, will SIDBI provide loan for you?
They act as a mediator
Between?
between RRB, like RRB. They send to money to RRB, then RRB give it to the loan.
Why just RRB?
And some other banks come as
Okay, NABARD, does it send money to RRB only? What about cooperative banks? Can't it send it to cooperative bank? Can't it send it to commercial bank? NABARD. What about SIDBI? SIDBI won't provide money to commercial banks? Yes or no? Yes. See, the thing is, both NABARD and SIDBI, we call them refinance institutions. Anyway, we will discuss each of them in detailed manner, but generally understand that normally for particular end user, they don't directly provide the finance. Okay, but what they do is refinancing. That means they give some money to these banks so that these banks can provide money to the end user, like in agriculture a farmer or a cooperative society or a small enterprise. Okay, that is what we call as refinance. Or they will provide just guarantee on behalf of you. Okay, SIDBI, it will provide a third person guarantee. Under, you might have heard about Mudra Yojana. What is Mudra Yojana? Generally, loans will be provided, small loans up to 10 lakhs, loans will be provided to micro enterprises. Okay, so there what will happen? For your loan, you are not going to provide any security. On behalf of you, SIDBI will give the security for whoever is giving the loan for you. Arthamainda? So it will act as a third party guarantor. So simply their role will be development of a particular sector, not directly providing loans for you. That's why we call them development financial institution. Okay. IDBI can be an example for industrial sector. Okay. Yeah, housing bank is there. NHB. Yeah, that is also example. NBFCs, again they can be of different types, but give me some example of NBFCs. Yeah, Bajaj Finance, Muthoot Finance. Okay, even mutual funds, some institutions like Sriram Mutual Funds. Okay, all those things comes under the category of NBFC. Now we need to understand first of all what is a bank and what is a commercial bank, what is a RRB, what is a cooperative bank. After that we need to understand how banks and NBFIs are different, then particularly what are development financial institutions, and we need to understand each and every one of them. After that, what are NBFCs particularly, okay, what do they do and what are different categories of NBFCs, what are the examples, what are the guidelines, all those things. That is the whole chapter of financial institutions, right?